Hello everybody, welcome back to Cork and Java. I'm Billy, this is Bryn, and this is day 8 of the 12 days of Christmas cocktails. What is it called?
The Mistletoe Kiss.
It's the Mistletoe Kiss, and I'm super excited about this one.
Hello everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine, reviews and how-tos. On this channel we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video.
Alright, so we've already done a few cocktails tonight, and we're going to do day 8.
Yes.
So let's get to it.
Alright, so the Mistletoe Kiss.
Do you have a glass?
Nope.
Okay, we're back.
Okay, so
Mistletoes.
So I'll read you the ingredients.
Okay, do that.
Okay, so Rosemary Simple Syrup.
Okay, so stop right there. So we made our own Rosemary Simple Syrup. It's super easy. You just do 1 part water, 1 part sugar, bring it to a boil on your stove top in a pan. And once it's to a boil and you've been mixing it a little bit with a spoon to dissolve the sugar, you take it off the heat, you throw in some sprigs of rosemary, let it cool down, let it steep in that rosemary, and then you just pour it into whatever container you store simple syrup in.
Perfect.
Super easy. This is what it looks like.
So then we have vodka, freshly squeezed lemon juice, club soda, and fresh cranberries and rosemary for a garnish.
All right. So what do we start out with? Lemon?
Okay, so first you want to pour vodka, lemon juice, and simple syrup into a drink shaker filled with ice.
You didn't get that, did you?
No.
And we're back.
Okay.
So how much lemon?
I believe it said 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice.
That's probably about half of a lemon. About 1 ounce.
And then your vodka and your simple syrup as
How much vodka?
This says 6 ounces, so I would probably just do like 2 or 3.
And you had me do a whole ounce of lemon?
I don't think that was an ounce.
That
I would
was
have
an
done.
ounce.
I would have done a whole lemon for.
So how much vodka? Okay, for this drink, give me the actual
Okay.
pours.
2 ounces of vodka.
All right, 2 ounces of vodka.
And then I would do like 1 ounce of the rosemary simple syrup. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's see. Yeah. We do.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
We do the shake thing?
Yep.
We put any ice in the cup?
Yep.
All right, now what?
All right, pour it into there. Top with club soda.
Ooh, that's really, really chilly. Top with club soda all the way to the top?
Most of the way. You
Is
have to
there-
have room for your cranberries.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Cranberries?
Yep.
How many?
However many you want.
Oh, okay. I'll tell you when it's good for me.
Okay.
All right. Whoa.
Perfect.
Remember down.
And then if you want to garnish, you can throw in one of your rosemary sprigs.
All right.
Ta-da!
That looks awesome.
Yeah, this is Christmas in a glass.
Yeah, smile for the thumbnail.
Alright, there's the mistletoe kiss. You want to do the honors?
Sure.
Okay.
All the ice is sticking to the bottom. There we go. Wow, way too much lemon.
Oh no. Okay, so
all right, so
noted,
yeah,
not so much lemon.
don't put an entire ounce of lemon into one drink like she told me to do.
I'm sorry. Actually, I like it with the lemon.
Okay,
It is a little overpowering.
If you like sour warheads, this might be the drink.
I would just add more vodka and more club soda.
Yeah, and some more simple syrup and everything to match the 1 ounce of lemon. But that was our mistake. But it does look really nice.
Yeah.
And I think if we did get the proportions right, which we will link to in the description or on the blog, if you're reading it there, you know the correct portions.
Yeah.
It is, I could tell it'd be a really refreshing, nice cocktail. Be it that lemon.
Although I will say I really do. I do like lemon, but I really do like it lemony too.
Yeah. So it's more like a lemon lemon sour to me at this point, but I think if we did it right, it would be a nice, refreshing, fairly light actually cocktail. But yeah, I like the colors. It's a great mix of ingredients. It's a really nice light Christmas cocktail.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Lemons and all. All right, guys. Make sure that you find us online. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. We'll have great content on all those sites for you. You don't miss out. We're looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, bottoms up.